Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, the Prahlad Maharaj advice is that you give up all this nonsense conception. Bonangato Harimasayata. Just Bonangata means just become free from this conception, beyond the kupam conception of life. Take the broader life of Krishna consciousness. Then you will be happy. Nityatmaghatam grihanda kupam bonangato jad Harimasaya. Harimasa, the real business is Harimasa. Bonangata. Bonangata means go to the forest. Formerly, after Grihastha life, Vanaprastha life, Sannyas life, they used to live in the forest. But going to the forest is not the main purpose of life. Because in the forest there are many animals. Does it mean they are advancing spiritual life? That is called Markot Vairagya. Markot Vairagya means Manki renunciation. Manki is naked. Naga Baba, naked, and eats fruit, manti, and lives under the tree or on the tree. But he has got at least 3 dozen wives. So this Markot Vairagya, this kind of renunciation has no value. Real renunciation. Real renunciation means you have to give up the Annakupa life and take shelter of Krishna, Harimasaya. If you take shelter of Krishna, then you can give up all this ism life. Otherwise it is not possible. You will be entrapped by this ism life. So hityatmaghatam grihanda kupam bonangata Harimasaya. Not to give up. If you give up something, you must take up something. Otherwise it will be disturbed. Take up. That is the recommendation. Param drishta nivartate. You can give up your family life, social life, political life, this life, that life, when you take Krishna conscious life. Other it is not. Otherwise you must have to take some of this life. There is no question of your freedom. There is no question of freedom from anxiety. This is the way. So here the same thing, that Tattvadarshini, those who are actually seer of the absolute truth, Athata Brahma Jignasa, as it is said in the Vedanta Sutra. Just yesterday one boy was asking me, what is the Vedanta? Vedanta, what is the meaning of Vedanta? It is very easy. Veda means knowledge, and Anta means ultimate. The Vedanta means ultimate knowledge. The ultimate knowledge is Krishna. Krishna says, Vedashta sadvai aham eva vedam. Vedanta krit, Vedanta vidcha aham. He is the maker of Vedanta, and he is the knower of Vedanta. Unless he is knower of Vedanta, how you can write Vedanta? Actually, Vedanta philosophy is written by Vyasadeva, incarnation of Krishna. So he is Vedanta Krit, and he is Vedanta Ved also. So the question was whether Vedanta means Advaitavad, Advaitavad. So it is very easy to understand. The first aphorism of Vedanta, Athata Brahma Jignasa, to inquire about Brahma, the absolute truth. Now, to inquire where? If you want to inquire, you must go to somebody who knows the thing. Therefore, immediately in the very beginning of Vedanta Sutra, there is duality. The one must inquire and one must answer. Athata Brahma Jignasa. So, in Vedanta Sutra, how you can say it is Advaitavad? It is Dvaitavad. From the very beginning, Athata Brahma Jigyasa, one must inquire for what is Brahma and what must reply, or the spiritual master or the disciple, that it is dual. How you can say it is Advaitavad? So, we have to study in this way. Here it is said, Tattvadarshini. Tattvadarshini means Vedantadi. The one who knows Vedanta. Janmadasya jata. One who knows the absolute truth from where everything begins. Janmadasya jata. That is the beginning of Srimad Bhagavatam.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,